So I started with 12 braids and I crisscrossed the 2 braids right in the middle. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my crochet loop and hook it through the braid. And once I pull the braid through, I'm going to take the 2 ends and pull it through the loop. Since I don't want my hair to be too full, I'm creating some space between the crochet braids. And since the hair is curly, it's not going to show once I continue to add hair. So again, I'm just taking my crochet hook and putting it through my braid, latching the hair on, and pulling those 2 ends through that loop. And just making sure that it is secure. What I like about this hair is that the older it gets, the more natural my hair looks. Even though my hair is really kinky and really curly, I had no issue trying to have my hair blend in. So it looked very seamless once I was done with my hair. So this is the final look of my hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.